Hi everyone, welcome to the first episode of Woodworking for Kids with Maker Mackie and
Bentley. Hey everyone, this is how we're going to build a birdhouse.
the way I want this series to work is I'm going to put out plans for it, and then I cut all the pieces. I've pre-drilled holes for the nails to go in for the whole thing to assemble, and then that's where I'm going to start every video from, is actually assembling the project with my son Bentley. So as I said on my website, I'm going to have the plans for this, and I've made it really kid friendly to show the steps, explaining what you need to do, and very easy pictures on showing you what part needs to go where. Today we just need a hammer, nails and glue, and all the parts that are on the cut list. All right, Bentley, so what pieces do we need first? Look here.
Yeah.
So we need what?
This.
What do we need on here, see? So we need this one, which is the back.
Yeah.
Yeah, which is this one without the hole. Yeah. And then we need, what are the red parts?
Those two.
What parts are they? Are they the sides?
The sides.
Yeah, okay. So we'll start off by putting some glue on the side.
On this side first.
That one first. Okay. Now we need it to make sure it's the long way up, like this.
Yeah.
So we'll put some glue on here.
We're going to make it long. Like that.
Like that.
So now stick it.
Okay.
Into here.
And then we need, hang on, first we need to put some nails in
And where?
in here. So we'll put it this way. 1, 2, 3 nails for this side. So here's the hammer. And don't hit Dad's fingers.
Yeah.
Hit on the top. Okay, that one, that's fine for that one. Now this one, we'll just get them started. Oh, don't hit my fingers. And this one. Okay, now
So
put the two pieces together, making sure the bottom's flush. Ready? And then can you put in the nail, this one? Hit it a bit harder. Alright, stop for a sec. And then we'll do this nail. Alright, now we're going to put the front on. So put some glue on.
Yeah, but remember, I didn't get the one because I always saw it. Pull the tape off for me.
Yeah, you can pull the tape off.
Can I put it on?
Yep, put it on that way, yep. Alright, now we need to do the nails. So if we do,
Nail one none.
yeah, we'll do this nail. Do this nail first. Careful with my fingers.
Sorry.
Alright, what's the next step?
Now let's do one top then that top.
Yep, so the first top. This top?
Top is that.
The first top is the shorter one. So it's this one.
Then that one on the bottom.
Yep, so we'll put some glue on here. What's the next step?
Look inside.
What's the next step?
Put a nail in it.
Did you? What's the next step? On here, look. So we just did this one. Then what's this one?
That other top.
The other top? This one?
I put it.
Okay, so we'll put some glue on here first.
We need
Alright, what's next?
next.
So, oh, where are we? Done that one. Here. So what's here? What's this one?
That pink one.
What's the pink one? The bottom?
Yeah.
Yeah?
That's the bottom. Stop.
Alright, what's the next step? So we've just put the bottom on, and then what?
Look what it says. It says those.
Those ones? Okay.
Go.
So we'll put some glue here. Now, what's next?
Now this stuff. This. Then we do that one.
Then we do the pole, and you know what's then?
What?
It's done. We can go put it in the tree.
That's all.
So we'll do this one. So what have we got left to do? That?
Yeah.
Which is
But
this?
I'm gonna tell them first, okay?
Okay.
So today we're gonna put this thing that goes in here,
Yeah?
then put the shades in.
Yeah. Alright, so let's put some glue in the... Let's put some glue on it. And done.
So now I'm gonna put our seeds in.
Are we? Or will we put it in the tree first?
Seeds.
I think tree first.
No.
Yeah.
Seeds.
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 Tree.
Seeds first.
We're going to do tree first, okay?
It's about to go flat. I hope you had some good fun making this birdhouse of me.
As Bentley just said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I'll have links to those down below. And as I said at the beginning, I'll have these plans up on my website, which is makeamaki.com. And make sure if you do make this with your kids to put some pictures on Instagram or Facebook and tag me in them. And I'll see you next time.